I'll be showing you the top geolocation apps for your Shopify store, and for each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can find out what's the best fit for your Shopify store. Let's take a look at our first app here called Geolocation by Orb. So you can boost your global sales with geolocation, show products, prices, languages, and currency by country. So it's going to automatically integrate with your Shopify markets or globe native configuration, and it connects multiple expansion stores to recommend your customers to the version of your store that corresponds to their geo IP location and browser language. So this is going to show a pop-up so you can customize this to adapt to your brand. You can set it up in just 10 minutes. It's also going to show the recommended one in the user's preferred language. You can connect your multiple expansion stores together so you can easily navigate to the right one. And it's going to maintain your parameters on each redirection to ensure you keep your attribution data through Meta, Google Analytics, and TikTok. It's also going to help you increase global sales as you're ensuring that your customers are always in the right shopping experience. In terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial, and it is free to install with up to 5,000 page views per month. It's going to be GDPR and CA friendly, SEO friendly, and you can customize your design. At $29 a month, it's going to remove the branding and you get a multi-language pop-up and unlimited page views. At $49 a month, you can connect your expansion stores and enhance your international SEO with the href Lang Manager. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 65 5-star reviews. For our next app, this one's called Selector. It's geolocation and markets. So again, switching currency and language based on the market with country selectors, as well as automatic market recommendations. You can add currency, language, and country selector to your store, making it really easy for customers to switch throughout. And it's supported in multiple languages and currencies, and it gives you numerous customization options. There's also pre-designed themes here to make your currency and country switchers really easy and nice looking, and it can match your brand's theme. So you can also customize the themes here, and you can select trendy color schemes. It's also going to auto detect the language and currency by location and add recommendations to the banner of your store. In terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial, and there is a completely free plan with unlimited selectors and unlimited page views. As you move on to the professional plan at $7.99 a month, you're going to get pro selectors and automatic market redirect. It's also going to remove that branding there. At $19.99 a month, you can connect multiple stores and custom theme styles. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 115 5-star reviews. This latest review says that they never received such good service free of charge. Support team helped them implement custom code into the website for free to make the workload more seamless. No faults at all, and the app embeds easily with their store. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor ProfitCalc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations and tons of different details and analytics so you can make smarter business decisions as you have a true understanding of your store's performance. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok with many cost of goods sold integrations. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching ProfitCalc and looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below. From there, you can get a 15-day free trial to test drive everything for yourself. For our third app, let's take a look at Pro Geolocation Redirects. So again, redirecting customers by location, country, and market. So you can move visitors to the local versions of your stores and redirect or block visitors based on their region, country, or IP. You can configure your redirect layout to fit your store perfectly. You can do top banners, pop-ups, or even an instant redirect. You can set the language for the redirects. And in terms of pricing, this one has a free 14-day trial and a flat rate plan here at $7.99 a month, where you get your country redirects and you can redirect or block visitors based on their region, country, and IP. In terms of reviews, excellent 4.8 stars with 47 5-star reviews. The latest review here says that they are a new user and they had a little bit of issues trying to set things up, but the customer support was amazing and the app works just as it says it will. For our last app here, this one's geolocation plus currency converter. So IP-based geo redirection with currency and language. For your pop-up, you can select different templates and configure the colors and settings, and you can manage campaigns through UTM parameters. Also lets you easily analyze your traffic data so you can see where your customers are coming from. You can also block malicious IPs. It's going to have multi-currency conversion, and you can show the pop-up before redirecting customers to their country-specific domain. In terms of pricing, there's a completely free plan, and this is just for development stores, and at $2.99 a month, you get instant redirects, customizable pop-up, UTM parameters, and multi-channel support via chat. At $5.99 a month, you also get country-based currency conversion, IP-based country detection, and 24-hour Prime support. In terms of reviews, sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 11 5-star reviews. This is going to conclude the video here on the top geolocation apps for your Shopify store. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below, as that really helps the channel out. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.